Today we are making the ultimate Blackstone burger, our version. Now, if you check the hashtag down below, hashtag ultimate Blackstone burger, click on that and you will see a whole list of other channels doing the exact same thing and their version of just what they think their ultimate burger is on the Blackstone. We're gonna show you ours today. And the thing is, in my ultimate burger, it changes from day to day. Tomorrow I'll be like, man, I should have put this on. Man, I should have done that. I should have done that. But this is what I came up with today. We got, we're gonna do a smash burger, because I'll tell you what, these Blackstones make some great smash burgers. They really do. We're gonna put some toppings on there to really step up the smash burger. So with that being said, be sure you check out that hashtag. Check out them other channels. Subscribe to them. They got some awesome cooking. If you ain't subscribed to us, please do so. Hit that thumbs up. Check it out. Hey, if you're looking for some Crazy Pop merch, check it down below. We just opened up a Teespring store, and let's show you what we're cooking with. Man, I know that looks like a lot of stuff. But I tell you what, this is gonna be a good burger. We're gonna start off with some ground chuck. We're gonna season it up with this Blackstone whiskey burger seasoning right here. Well, we've used this on some burgers already, and man, that stuff is really good. We got some pepper jack cheese and some provolone cheese. Some thick sliced bacon. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna put a little egg on top, a sweet onion, some bell pepper, jalapenos, and guess what? We got some sesame seed buns to top it all off with. We're gonna toast them up. And yeah, we got some sausages here we're gonna cut up and put on there too. So I tell you what, let's get to putting this thing together. All right, we got the Blackstone good and hot. The air fryer is heating up. That's something I forgot to mention earlier. We're gonna cook some onion rings in the air fryer. So let's go ahead and get some of those in there. Let me grab the bag of some onion rings here. Get one of these air fryer baskets. What we're gonna do is just lightly coat the bottom of it with some spray olive oil. I'm gonna open up these onion rings here. Maybe. Try not to pull them apart too hard, they might fly everywhere. Just gonna dump some in this basket here. Now, I've never tried these Nathan onion rings before. But we're gonna give them a try. All right. Lightly coat those, and we got them in the air fryer. Got that set on about a medium heat. While them are cooking, we're gonna get some bacon on the griddle. We're gonna get this done before we get them burgers going, because it will not take long for the smash burgers. We're gonna do that. We got some our onions and sausage and peppers here. We're gonna kind of just cook down together and get them going. Got the spatula here. Just kind of let those cook down. Won't be long. It'll be time to eat. I love this magnet holder over here. Put spatulas on there, man. That's awesome. It's awesome. I love these two holders on the end and these tongs. Man, check that out. Now them onions are done kind of like I like them. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just take them and put them over here. Now this side's warm, but it's not hot. It won't cook. It'll just stay warm at this point. What I'm trying to do now is just get these peppers kind of rendered down a little bit, kind of get them soft. And they're popping at me. Let's check this bacon out. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, look at that. I say we go ahead and move some bacon over. I don't like my bacon real crispy. I like it done. Of course, it will continue to cook over here a little bit. Just because that side's warm. Cook these down a little more, because what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna make an omelet to put on this burger. Yeah, that's right, an omelet. All right, these are about where I want them. They're not crunchy, but they're not real soft. So let's slide these over. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ready to cook this omelet. We got us a Blackstone egg ring. I'll tell you what, these are real nice. Look at that, they fold down. There's actually a set of 8. There's 4 square ones and 4 round ones. We're gonna use the round one today. We're gonna go ahead and put us 2 eggs in here. Throw those out there in the flour bed. Always helps to have your fork ready. And we're gonna add some of these sausage and peppers in there. Like so. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and just mix this up really good. And this is gonna go on our burger. Nope. Got one sausage there not wanting to cooperate there. Now, slide this out the way. What we'll do is go ahead and just pour this in there. Uh-oh, I poured it went over. That's all right. See there? Things don't always go perfect, y'all. Look at that. Now we have some egg we can eat while we're waiting. But that's okay. That's okay. If everything went perfect, you know, it'd be a great world, but it don't. So that's all right. We got some egg over here to eat now anyhow. Keep that heat up just a little bit, get this egg cooking. All right, this has been cooking a little bit under the dome. We're gonna try to give this a flip. Get it done on the other side. That. Come on out of the egg ring. It's not wanting to come out. There it goes. There you are. Flip it. There we go. Let that cook on that side, and then we fix to make this burger. Eggs are ready, bacon's ready, onions ready. Burger ain't ready. We gotta get that ready. Let's do that now. Let's slide that over out the way. And what we're gonna do is we got this 80-20 chuck. We're gonna make roughly 4-ounce burgers. We're gonna plop them down on the grill. Do the same over here. We're gonna make 2 of these. And what we're gonna do is take our parchment paper and we'll smash it down. And do the same thing to the other one. Smash it down. Take a little Blackstone whiskey burger and season them up. All right, while them burgers are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and brown our buns. All right, let's go ahead and give these burgers a good flip here. I'm gonna go ahead and put pepper jack on one of them. Put a couple slices down here. Some pepper jack cheese. Oh, let's check these out now. Oh yeah, the buns are ready. Burgers are getting there. Let's slide these over here. Slide these over here. Let's get to building this thing. We get our bun here. What we're gonna do now is take this patty here with the pepper jack on it. Slide it off. Put our egg on that. Let's put that there. Let's see. Let's put the bacon on next. Let's cut this bacon in half. Take it and cover it in bacon. Like so. Take these onions, put on top of that. Uh-oh. Take these onions, put on top like that. Take some of this provolone cheese, put on there, and we top it. Now, we're not done yet. What we're gonna do now is take this big old burger, put it down here. We're gonna cover it up, let that cheese melt. All right, I just checked it. I snuck a peek. This thing's ready. Let's take it up. Oh, look at that. Plate it up. Tell you what, we need to check the onion rings. Oh, wow. Look at that. So I'll tell you what, let's get those. Plate these up. And now we have today's, like I said earlier, today's Ultimate Burger. Tomorrow, I may put something completely different on it. Who knows? But burgers, there's a lot you can do. So let's take a look at what we have today. There is our Ultimate Burger today. The Ultimate Blackstone Burger. Hashtag, be sure you check all that out. Hope you're enjoying that view. Let's get a whole round look of it. Man, that's a good looking burger. Now, we got to try it out. Well, I let the burger cool down a little bit because last time I did this, it was a little warm. I kind of bit into it too soon. I couldn't wait, and I just had to make myself wait this time. But tell you what, it is really, that's a monster. That is a monster. I'm wondering, trying to figure out my plan of attack here, and I'm afraid it might attack me later on. But the only thing I know to do is just bite into it. So let's do that. Man, that thing is a monster. Look at that. Oh, look at that juice just dripping out of there. Well, here's to you. Wow. Man. The flavors are unreal in this burger. I mean, you got your smash burger, you know, the seasoning. You got that whiskey burger seasoning. You know, you got your egg and your sausage and the bacon and the different cheeses, and it's just all together. You know, I didn't even put no sauce. I mean, look at the juice coming out of this thing. Man, I gotta have another bite. I'm sorry, y'all. That's good. I tell you what, me personally, I can't wait to check out all the other Ultimate Blackstone burgers. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing this one. We need to try one of these onion rings. Very crispy, very good. Tell you what, this Blackstone Air Fryer is awesome. You can do the whole meal out here. Desserts and everything. We have a link down below if you're looking for that air fryer. Have several links down below to several different things from Blackstone, our Teespring stores, you know, whatever. Check it all out. May see something you like. Who never knew? Never know. So I tell you what, check out the hashtag. Was it Ultimate Blackstone Burger? Who knows? And let me know in the comments down below what you would put on your ultimate burger. I'd really like to know. So until next time, we'll see you later.